this DIY you need a wooden trough. I picked this up from Poundland the other day. It was £1. It's quite thin wood, but it's not too bad. It's quite sturdy. It will do the job nicely. I've got my chalk paint, which I got from the range. This is antique white. Got paintbrush, glue gun, and I have this baby's breath gypsophilia that I picked up from IKEA. It costs £1.50. It is a little bit plastic though. Dunelm's one seems a little bit more lifelike. I also have this bit of twine, which I'm going to put into a bow of sorts and stick on the front of the trough. And there you have a really easy and simple piece of farmhouse decor just to brighten your house. Now I've put mine on top of the toilet to hold spare toilet roll and a candle just to smell nice, but of course you can put yours wherever you would like. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and do remember to subscribe for brand new home decor DIY crafty inspiration videos every single week. See you next time.